This thing going? Yeah, it's on. Hey, what's up, guys? Back in the building with another video. This is your boy Info Geek, and I'm giving you my 3-month self-lender update. Now, if you're watching this video for the first time, I highly recommend that you go back to episode 1 and watch it all the way up until now. I'm going to be doing this series all the way through. Now, my credit score has went up a total of 93 points within the last 3 months. It went up. I also saved over $100, which is amazing. For those of you that don't know, I am a minority, but I usually don't have a lot of money left over, and I'm just trying to make it in the world and do the best I can. So you're watching me change my life around in real time. That's what I'm doing. Now, if you're with me on this journey, or you want to send me some good luck, smash the like button. I also want to say this. I want to give a shout out to you guys who've been clicking my link. It means so much to me because you've been putting money in my pocket and helping me by doing so. So check this out. I ended up receiving this through the mail from you guys. Now I'm trying to block my address here, but I got a check from Self-Lender. I don't know if it's showing really good on the screen, but I ended up getting a check from Self-Lender because you guys been clicking my link, which is amazing. That little $10 that I get when you guys click the link, which I believe you guys get credited also, I've been putting that into a savings account, and it's been adding up really good. You guys have really been helping me and my family during these tough times and everything. So I'm not going to make this too much of a long video, but I am going to show you me making my third payment. And after you see me make my third payment, at the end of the video, we're going to talk about how I'm now qualified to get the self-secure credit card. So you got to stay tuned towards the end of the video for that. Again, enough talking. Let's go ahead and get into today's episode, shall we?
We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna log in. Also, I'm a step closer to getting my card. Give me 1 second. Let me log in. Voila. All right, so now that we logged in, I'm waiting for my credit score to update. This is not updated yet. It's still at 617, but as you can see, I went up 93 points since I started using this. This is my experience Vantage 3.0 score. Now, as you can see here, self Visa credit card, I'm almost there. Like, I have one more payment to make or whatever. My thing is 1 day past due. I'm going to go ahead and pay it now because I don't want any issues later. So I'm going to click here. Payment amount is $25. So I'm going to hit make payment. Okay, that's going to be 2500. 25.00. That's what that's going to be there. Now, if I pay 25, it's only going to be 19. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to erase this. And I'm going to put $30. So I'm going to pay 30, which means they're going to take 5. And then 25 is going to go towards what I already have added to the account. So I'm going to hit make payment. Now that's going to be $30, submit payment, and we're going to get that payment made. Boom, that payment has been made. As you can see, $30 is now pending. I'm going to go back over, let's see, I'm going to go to home. Now I have $101 in my account. If I would have paid $25, I would have had to wait another month before I can qualify for the Self Visa card. As you can see here, 100% complete. So now I have to wait for them to update. And when they do update, I'll be eligible for the credit card because I have $101 in my account. And you need $100 to qualify. Now, as you see here also, where am I? 1 second. Minimum payment was $20. And I went and I paid $25. Next payment that's due is November the 10th. That's the next payment that's due. And since I paid an extra $5, I only have to pay $20 next time, which is dope. That's extremely dope how they did that there. Okay, so with that being said, we're going to go ahead and continue the rest of the video.
All right, guys, hopefully you're satisfied with the updates that you've seen, but the video is not over yet, so don't go anywhere. So as you can see there, I qualify for the self-secure credit card, which is amazing. So I cannot wait for that to come. Now, I know it's only showing 2 blocks on your end, but don't worry, my payment has cleared through my bank, and Self-Lender's a little slow when it comes to updating their system. I also want to correct, you guys are probably wondering, well, why is your credit score still saying 617, 612, whatever it said? that's going to be updated also the next time they update their systems. So once that updated, I'll show you the score in real time. Everything's just a little bit slow, you know. I'm going to be getting that car. It's going to be so helpful. That's going to boost my credit dramatically. Again, if you're watching this for the first time and you're a fan of the series, I highly recommend that you subscribe and stay tuned to the channel, because I'm going to be rebuilding my life. You're going to see me go from rags at least to riches, or at least to stability, some type of really good stability. That would be amazing. So with that being said, I want to pass this question off to you guys in the comment section below. How are you feeling about the self-lender series? Has this series been beneficial to you? Did you learn anything? Do you feel confident? Do you feel like you have somebody that's there with you doing this stuff? So that's the question I have for you guys today. You can answer any one of those. I just want to give a quick update. A new How to Save Money episode is coming. A new Kickoff episode is coming. And I even got some new series coming, such as Robinhood episode 1. That's going to be coming soon. You guys are going to see me buy some stock and all things of that nature. Again, I do appreciate you guys watching. As you can see, this is a little different setup. I'm working on an official professional setup for the channel, so that way it doesn't look, you know, rectified or nothing like that. Be sure to click the video that's coming up next, which is going to be either over here in the corner or over here, either one of these. Click on the series and watch it. If you've seen it already, I suggest you watch it again or share it to a friend. This information is very, very helpful. Again, self-lender is only $25 a month, which you can afford, and then Kickoff is free. So if you don't have any money and you want to build your credit, I suggest you use Kickoff. You can check out my Kickoff series. And if you have $25, you can start the self-lender series. Again, more series are coming, such as Credit Strong and a lot of other things. Don't want to make this video too long, as I mentioned. With all that being said, guys, I truly appreciate you. Again, if you're watching this video for the first time, or you've been watching it and you haven't been convinced yet that self-lender is helpful for you, I highly recommend that you click the link in the description, so that way you can join using my referral code. It puts money in my pocket, and it also puts money in your pocket. And it just helps both of us out, and it's a sign of respect and a sign of gratitude. And I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys get out of here. So until next time, I will see you wonderful people later. Peace out.